Hello, I'm Carl and welcome to Festool TV. In this video I would like to show you how to prepare your new CONTURO KA65 for edging. If using the CONTURO KA65 mobile, firstly secure the support base using the supplied wing screw. When turning on the CONTURO KA65 for the first time, it is important that we load the glue into the machine as soon as possible, so ensure your glue hooks are at hand ready. Before using the CONTURO KA65 for the first time, we must load the glue hooks of the desired colour into the glue chamber before turning the machine on. The CONTURO can then be switched on by pressing and holding the power switch until the CONTURO beeps and the screen begins to display. The CONTURO will automatically then load the glue into the glue chamber. The screen will be red as the machine diagnoses its temperature and begins to heat up. To prevent damage to the CONTURO, it is important when the display screen is red or flashing red and green that no attempt to forcibly adjust the height setting dial is made. The height adjustment should only be made once the screen is constantly green. Once the set temperature is reached, the screen will change from red to a flashing red and green display, and a countdown timer of 5 minutes will start. This countdown is to ensure any glue from previous use is molten and expelled into the drip catcher, guaranteeing fresh glue is applied each time the CONTURO is operated. When the display screen is green, it is then possible to prepare the CONTURO to edge. From cold, this should take approximately 8 minutes. Firstly, the quantity of glue can be adjusted to suit the type of board. The glue adjustment is made by pressing the mode button here. The flashing triangle will show the glue amount being decreased towards the small droplet and increased towards the large droplet. The setting is stored by pressing the OK button. If the OK button is not pressed, the setting will not be changed and return to the previous setting. When applying glue to more porous materials such as chipboard, it is advisable to increase the flow of glue. A top tip is to edge a small test piece when getting used to setting the glue amounts. You are looking for the CONTURO to apply glue perfectly in even beads of glue like this. If too much glue is used, the glue joint will be too large and show on the finished edge. The mode button can then be pressed to change the temperature for different glue colours. The correct temperature setting is indicated on the box of the glue. Pressed again, the mode button will change the temperature display between Celsius and Fahrenheit. And pressed a fourth time to change the fuel gauge between meters and feet. The thermometer indicates the temperature setting if you use two common colours of glue, which are stored by the CONTURO and quickly changed here. The feed speed is indicated by these two triangles. One triangle for slower speed and two triangles for faster speed. The speed is changed by operating the trigger here, and this can be changed before and during use. For example, slowing from a straight edge to complete a radius. All that is left to do now is load the edging. Firstly, cut the edging approximately 10 centimeters longer than required. Then locate the edging into the feed slot. Adjust the height adjustment wheel until the edging is touching the feed slot at the top and the bottom. The height adjustment wheel will be touch tight. Then loosen by 2 clicks to allow the edging to feed through the CONTURO. 1, 2. Press the prepare and go button with your thumb and the symbol to insert the edge will appear on the display. Guide the edging into the feed slot until it is drawn in by the CONTURO. When the tick appears on the screen, the edging has reached its starting position and is ready for gluing. The display will change between the tick and the full display for a final check that the fuel gauge displays enough distance for the edge that you are about to apply. Position the Conturo into the start position, resting the support base on the surface of the board. Line up the marking line with the edge of the board and hold approximately 2 centimetres away from the board. Press and release the prepare and go button for a second time and the edging will automatically be coated with glue and fed through the Conturo. As soon as the edging becomes visible to the right of the board, start the gluing process by applying firstly forward pressure so that the edging and board are contacted together, then instantly follow the feed rate of the Conturo, maintaining a gentle, constant pressure against the board. The Conturo will then automatically stop feeding and applying glue once the edging has passed through. You have now successfully applied the edge to the workpiece using the CONTURO KA65, and in the next video you'll be shown how to trim and route the edging, the next stage of achieving the perfect edge with Festool. I'm Carl and thank you for watching Festool TV.